Hey everybody, how's everybody doing today? Today we are reviewing a flying monkey, a flying monkey product, and I got this, which is a 0.2 gram disposable device, and this is Strawberry Cough by Flying Monkey. Strawberry Cough. What do I think of it? Let's have another taste test, shall we? Or shall we? That's very thick oil. As you can see through the thing, I'm looking through it, and it's very thick. But yeah, to anybody that is not 21 or older, you know what to do. So, cheers everybody. That's got a very good terpene profile. And it's got a very mellow tone. Tastes like strawberry milk that you get in a carton from school. And Delta 8. Strawberry milk and strong Delta 8. Let's have another puff. But yeah, this is Strawberry Cough. Like I said, it tastes just like it smells, and like it vaporizes. Tastes like a very strong strawberry milk taste. But like I said, has a very strong strawberry milk taste with a high tone of Delta 8 mixed in with it. And if anybody else wants me to review these, they have this, which is the Strawberry Cough, Tangy OG, and some other flavor or some other strain. But if y'all want me to review these, they have Tangy OG, Strawberry Cough, which I have right here, and they're $40 a piece where I get them at. But yeah, let's talk more on this Strawberry Cough and tell you what, and let me just tell you why I like it so much. It does have very high Delta 8 effects. Very high. So I'm just going to say, rip this 2 or 3 times and you'll be good. I'm not even joking. Just rip it once or twice, and you'll be good. Look how thick that is. Very thick. Smells very good though. For it being strawberry cough. But this is strawberry cough, and I can review. They got another one like this, but it's Tangy OG. If anybody wants me to try Tangy OG by Flying Monkey, just put it down in the comments that you want me to try Tangy OG by Flying Monkey. And it comes in it's an orange, it's a black disposable, but it's got orange coloring on it. So if you want me to try Tangy OG by Flying Monkey, or any other disposables that look like this by Flying Monkey, y'all just let me know. But yeah, it does have really good effects to it and everything. Would I recommend this for everyday use? Going out and in public, and yes, I would. I would not recommend if you're operating heavy machinery. Do not use this if you are using heavy machinery, because it will give you a slight buzz, a slight feeling of euphoria, if I must say. But yeah, strawberry cough. What are my thoughts on it? Smell on it. Got a strawberry milk. Strong strawberry milk. Strong strawberry milk terpene profile. But yeah, let's take a Yeah. The strawberry cough, if I had to rate it out of a 1 out of 10, I would give this a 9 out of 10, just because of its durability and how small it is. Like, it's a compact device, so you can easily go anywhere with one of these things. Like, anywhere. You could be at the mall, be in the store, you could be anywhere and have one of these, as long as you're 21 or older. But yes, this is a very good device, and it's very flavorful. And would I recommend this to anybody? Yes. Put down in the comments which Flying Monkey 2-gram disposable would you want me to try? Another strawberry cough or Tangy OG? And it's an orange Flying Monkey box. And these are $40 a piece. So if you want me to try another strawberry cough, then put in the comments what y'all want me to try by Flying Monkey. And preferably this disposable, not nothing else. This is very good. Like, very good. Not too harsh, not too, light. Just right. But yeah, this is some strong Delta 8. This is probably extracted Delta 8. But it's alright. But yeah, this is very flavorful, very tasty. And it does have a very big euphoric feeling. But yes, it's very flavorful. This is very good. Would I recommend it to anybody? Yes, I would. And if there's anybody that wants me to review any more of these, they have Strawberry Cough, Tangy OG, and I think another one. I'll have to go tomorrow and look at my smoke shop and see what others they have of this. But I know they have Strawberry Cough and Tangy OG. And Tangy, I think OG by Flying Monkey is going to be a little bit better than this, but I don't know. But like I said, you'll find out tomorrow. And like I said, Delta 8 ain't for everybody, but if it's for you, try it. I know I sure have. I'd rather go buy one of these than go buy a pack of cigarettes. Seriously. I would much rather go spend the money for one of these than I would a pack of cigarettes. Not even joking. And God bless it, I have been nicotine free for a long time now, so that is a blessing. And anybody that is new to my channel and that likes my videos, come on here and enjoy my videos and enjoy my enthusiasm and what I can bring to the table with me being a new Delta 8 person in the game or whatever. I know I've only got like 35 subscribers, but hey, if I can get, to where I need to be at and to where I can have people start sending me stuff, that would be a blessing. And to anybody that watches my videos, I do thank y'all, and everybody that has been. I'm very supportive of y'all. I don't know what I would do without any of my people on YouTube or anything. I'm just very grateful that I'm doing this for y'all and not for myself. But yeah. Till next time, this has been D8 Reviews, signing off.